Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, YouTube? It's MET. Come on, bro. Just say it with me. MET. Come on, bro. MET. XRO. Today, man, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And today we are on the pair Usdjpy. Now current, no, yeah. So I'm gonna just give y'all a little backstory. You know what I'm saying, after I do my little intro and everything on how everything's been going today. So first thing first, man. If you're not following me on IG, make sure to follow me on IG at METXRO, bro. Just click the link. Fuck. I'm always stuttering that part. Just make sure to click the link in the description down below. And follow me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me know you from YouTube. I'll follow you back. You know what I'm saying? I post when I trade, when I lose, when I win. You know, all that type of good stuff. So, and my lifestyle. So, you know what I'm saying? If you want to be surrounded by another trader, go ahead and add me to the list. So, other thing is, if you are interested in the way that I trade, I also do have a course. It's $25. Go ahead and check it out if you want to. Link in the description down below as well. If you don't want to, that's fine. I'm not gonna force you. So, um, yeah, man. Today, oh, I also got a free trading Discord too, bro. Almost forgot. Make sure you go. You know what I'm saying, surrounded by traders. Is like, I think I got almost 400 members up in there. So, hey, man, people trade all types of sessions, all types of pairs. You know, beginner traders, intermediate traders, and advanced traders. So make sure you go join that, bro. It's a good little community, good positive community. You know, we always look and help each other out. You know, all types of shit. It's a good Discord. But yeah, man. We are on the pair USDJPY, and USDJPY gave me an L this morning. Not gonna lie, bro. Yeah, they definitely gave me an L this morning, as long as AU. Now, um, the more we get in profit, I will probably, well, hopefully, if we can get in profit, we can win this trade. You know what I'm saying? This will be a nice trade to catch a little dub off of. But I'll tell you guys my little confirmations and everything once, if we can win the trade. So, uh, yeah, man, we just gonna sit here and wait. We're gonna see what's up, see what happens, see what UJ got going on, man. Hopefully UJ treat us right today. Well, treat us right on this trade, and we can get a dub. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal. That's the goal. You know what I'm saying, to get a dub. You know what I'm saying? We always trying to win it when we get a trade, but like I said, I already took like a couple L's today. So I mean, whatever happens, happens, bro. Like I said, if I lose this trade, this will be my last trade of the day, and I'm just gonna take my L, bro. I had a good week, and if I lose this trade, then I'll be content. You know, it is what it is, bro. You got to think about all the wins. You know, what I'm saying, that little win streak you take. You know what I'm saying? You got to think about that when you take a loss. Just don't take it to heart, bro. It is what it is. Just be grateful that you were able to have a win streak. So we just trying to catch a win, man. Take profit. Uh, I don't know. I'm gonna just put it up here for now. You know, just to give some height to it cause I do want to get my I do got to draw my zones up. Got to get my take profit and everything in there. So let me see. Where did I enter at? Hopefully we can break above this high as well as this high right here and continue pushing up to the upside. But we gonna see, man. We just gotta simply see. Just be patient and just see and just hope for the best. You know. Cause I think, yeah, if it come down to break even, I'm just gonna get out, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not really gonna sit up here and, you know, deal with all this. Cause I lost the last trade, and I told myself I was gonna get out at break even, but I wanted to see it retest a certain zone. But I got it at break even, and I mean, I didn't get out at break even. I should have, but hey, man, we just, like I said, we just gonna see. We gonna see what's up with it, and just hope that we can catch a nice little dub here, man. That's all it is. We didn't get in exactly like right there. I'm tripping. Right there. I feel like that's fair. Our original stop loss was right below this candle, but like I said, we're gonna get out at a break even. I'm targeting like something like up here, something like that. So, we're just gonna sit up here and wait and just, you know what I'm saying, hope that we can take profit. That'd be nice. But I think I could break. Whoa, yeah, nah. Just come down to break even. We definitely gotta get out, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Because like right now, it's looking like a good trade. You know what I'm saying? It's keyword looking like a good trade. You know, just because it look like a good trade always don't mean it's gonna be a good trade. But you know, it's just about how you manage it. And if it come back to break even or my entry, bro, I just gotta go because I see that we did break above this high right here, and I'm just hoping that we just didn't break above it and then we just melting. I'm just hoping that we hopefully we can just keep breaking above. You know, even though the candle looks like this, I'm just trying to keep faith in the trade and just trust my analysis, bro. Trust my analysis and just let the market do what it do, bro. Simple as that. So we just gonna wait, bro. We just gonna sit here and wait. This is just the reality of trading, bro. That's why I really don't like editing my videos, because in real time you gonna have to sit through this. And like, I like to show people my actual emotions. And just like, some people, they try to stay calm through the video, and then like, all right, I'm gonna hit y'all up when the trade start taking off and shit. But I like to showcase my emotions when the trade is looking bad and when the trade is looking good. It's both sides of this shit. The video I just tried to record, it was a losing, but I still plan on uploading that video. So hey man, it is what it is, bro. I'm not tripping about it. Like I said, if it comes down to break even, we're gone. Simple as that, bro. We're gone. I'm not doing it like I did the last trade and tried to hold below break even just to see if it was gonna hit a zone. But one thing I do like about this as of right now is we are approaching the 15-minute high, and I'm just hoping that we could break above it. It's hoping we could break above it and continue to keep